In this video, we're going to look at the countdown block inside of SeedProd and how you can quickly and easily add countdown timers and evergreen timers to your website. Here we have the SeedProd page builder, and on the left-hand side, we have our blocks. If we come under the Advanced tab, we can see the countdown. You can also use the search to find the block if you need to, and we can click and drag and drop this into our page. Here we can click on the block settings, and now we have the options on the left-hand panel here. For countdown type, we have two options. We have date time countdown and we have visitor timer. Let's leave it on date time countdown. And this allows you to pick a specific date and it'll count down from that time. So when you reset your page or reload, it'll still be counting down from that specific date, compared to the evergreen counter where you actually set a static time. So for example, 30 minutes. So if you reset the page or reload the page, it'll start over from 30 minutes. For the daytime countdown, we still have the end time as well. You can select a specific time of the day, as well as the time zone that you'd like to use. The alignment you can change, the size from small, medium, or large, and once the time expires, you can set what you would like to have happen. For example, would you like to show a message, or would you have it redirect to a specific URL? At the bottom, we have the customized labels. We can turn these on. For this one, we have days, hours, minutes, and seconds. And again, same thing for the visitor timer for the evergreen timer. We can set the timer. I'll change this one to 2 hours. Again, the alignment, the size, the action to take when it expires, and your custom labels. Once you have the details set, you can come under the second tab here for templates. And these are optional templates that you can quickly and easily select to change your design. Just simply click on one and you can see that the design changes on the right side. Under the advanced tab here, we have styles, spacing, attributes, device visibility, and animation effects. So for typography, you can change the font size, line height, and all of the different options here. By default, it'll try to adapt and take the styles that are already set on your landing page or your website page from your styles. But you can use the styles to override those. For example, the highlight color, we could change this to something else. Here's an orange, so it changes the background to orange. We have the label color, so for example, we can change that to black. We have the space between, we have the border radius, we have a shadow that we can add. If we minimize this, we can come to spacing, we have margin and padding, and we have attributes for custom CSS and custom classes that you can add. We have device visibility, so you can hide this on desktop, you'll see it grayed out, or on mobile. And we can switch to mobile preview here with the button down at the bottom. So if we hide this on mobile, you'll see it's grayed out there. And lastly, we have the animation effects. These are the entrance animations. So when the page loads, you can, for example, have it fade in. So every time the page loads, you'll see this fade in.